Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, today we are going to explore a Pepe, a unique meme coin that unites the energy of ape and the cultural power of Pepe. Representing small investors worldwide, Pepe has built a loyal community, achieved remarkable exchange listings, and earned a spot in the CoinMarketCap top 500 as the only Polygon-based meme coin in the ranking. Let's dive into its journey, achievements, market performance, and how you can join the movement. Before we get into the details, here I would like to remind all my viewers to do your own research before making any investment decision. This video is being made only for the informational and educational purpose. So we discuss about the Pepe. So dear viewers, unlike many fake meme coins, it is driven by the power of the community and is fully prepared for success. There is no end to the top. With the power of ape and Pepe, we are relying to reach a new normal. So here you can check out the total members, total community users 2 million. And here you can check monthly trading volume 233 million. Polygon chain TX is equal to 2.28 million, and Polygon DEX market you can check out here. And now we will discuss how we can buy the Pepe. So the process is very simple. Here you can see the process have been explained. How can you buy a Pepe? First of all, you will have to install the MetaMask, and then you will have to deposit Polygon, purchase Polygon from an exchange or buy directly through MetaMask, then deposit it in your wallet, and then you will have to connect your wallet, visit the official Pepe link, or use a platform like Polygon Swap or Uniswap. Here you can see the Uniswap, and then contract address to ensure it's official one, and then you can trade for a Pepe. So the process has been explained here. You can check out the details have been given how to buy a Pepe. So dear viewers, here you can check the exchange listing. From its DEX beginnings, Pepe has expanded to over 20 centralized exchange globally. Platforms like HTX, Gate.io and Maxi have embraced it, and the only step left is achieving a tier 1 exchange listing, something the community believes is highly possible given its track record. So you can check out the details about the exchange listing, and here you can check out the information about a Pepe. You can check out the details on Binance, Coinbase, crypto.com and BitGet and IQ.wiki and CoinMarketCap. You can get information, and here you can check out the tokenomics of the Pepe. Total supply is 210 trillion, airdrop 70%, and decentralized exchange and circulating supply 10%. Centralized exchange share is 10%, and reserve is 10%. So here you can check out the Pepe burn address, and here you can check out the community of the Pepe. So the community segment of Pepe is amazing. You can check that it was launched in 2023 with a decentralized exchange listing. Pepe choose steady community driven growth over quick hype. Its mission is simple yet powerful: unite small investors and create a lasting presence in the cryptocurrency space. In just 2 years, Pepe has grown into one of the most recognized meme coins in the Polygon ecosystem, supported by a global network of verified members. So here you can check out the roadmap of the Pepe. Step 1 is decentralized exchange listing, CoinMarketCap listing, community opening and activation, and community airdrop. Step 2 will be comprised of centralized exchange listing, and step 3 will be the tier 1 exchange listing and top of the memes. So dear viewers, you must know that 2 million plus verified organic community members worldwide, listed on 20 plus global exchange including HTX, Gate.io and Maxi. First place winner of BitGet Wallets Meme Wave 2025, and major airdrops in collaboration with OKX Wallet, and strategic partnerships with the UX Link, Bugs Coin, IQ.wiki and more, and only Polygon based memes coin in the CMC top 500. So these are the big achievements by the Pepe. So dear viewers, Pepe's data on CoinMarketCap highlights its strong position. Here you can check its price is 0.053046, and it is showing 0.83% increase. Here you can check out its market cap, and here you can check out its volume and FDV. Here you can also check its holder. Total supply 210 10 trillion maximum supply. And here you can see that its market cap showing strong investor confidence, and its daily trading volume, high liquidity and active interest, and holders showing worldwide usage. And here you can check out that the price chart reflects the natural market movement, but trading activity and community engagement remains strong, a sign of resilience. So here you can also check out that it is showing 86% bullish and just 14% bearish. So I think this is a coin that contain lot of potential for the new users and the buyers. And here you can check out the details on CoinGecko. From CoinGecko's perspective, price can be checked 0.053049 and showing 1.1% increase in the short term. Market cap is 4.221 trillion and it's showing 1% increase. 24-hour volume dominance. And here you can also check price ranges. This combination of liquidity, growth and stability positions Apepe as a serious player among meme coins. And this is the Apepe pitch deck PDF documents. Here you can check out the details about the Apepe meme coins representing the Polygon network. Here you can also check out its introduction. You can get out details about Pepe community. You can get information about community metrics. You can get information about top of the DEX market. And here you can get information about the top of the DEX market. Here you can also check out the top of the DEX market. So this document contains each and every aspect of the project Apepe, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out this document and get detailed information about the Apepe meme coin. So dear viewers, this is the official Twitter page of Apepe, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the Twitter page of Apepe. Here you can check out that the Twitter page keeps you informed about partnerships, exchange listings and event news before anyone else. So follow the Twitter page of Apepe. And here is the Telegram community of the Apepe. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join this community. Joining the official Telegram connects you directly with the global Apepe family, the place for real-time updates, giveaways and announcements. So dear viewers, Apepe has proven that with a strong mission, loyal community and steady growth, a meme coin can achieve real influence in the crypto space. From its 2023 launch to its position as Polygon's flagship meme coin, Apepe continues to break records and expand globally. All important links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrencies and NFT projects, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.